just applesauces?
Yep.
Natural, original.
Spoonful.
Hey, Mom!
Oh, crap.
You know that TV that nobody uses?
Nope, you're wrong. There's no natural in there.
I can take that, right? Yeah, I know. I'll get it fixed.
Alright.
Don't mind pretty much?
I have a feeling you could
I don't know. We'll get it fixed.
Where's your mouth?
What are you crazy?
I'm fairness. If you guys let me have that TV, you should buy Mike one for me.
Alright, ready, Mitch?
Yeah, buy Mike an HD one.
Alright, that's the deal. Alright, you put this on, like, I don't know, you can have it on chicken, pork, whatever.
It's like nutmeg.
It doesn't really matter.
Open up.
Ready? It's not hot.
That's not hot.
That's gross.
It's brown sugar craft sauce.
Alright, no more of that kind of stuff.
Alright, this one isn't bad. You are gonna
Cleanse the old palate.
Alright, ready?
This is good. This should be good.
Ready?
Open up.
Open your mouth more. Holy
It's
crap.
sweet.
Sugar.
Is that good?
Give the rest of it. It's still on the spoon.
Oh, yeah, he likes that.
Just lick the shit out of it. Get it off there. Alright. Actually,
Doing
we'll
applesauce.
save that last. Yeah, there you go. Good. And applesauce? Alright, we'll clean you up.
Cleanse the palate.
Cleanse the palate.
Oh, this blueberries.
Yep. Oh. Mitch, honestly, I don't even know what this is.
Oh! There's nothing to eat!
You can do this taste test with us, and maybe you'll get full. Alright, we're gonna give you a little bit of this.
What is it?
You don't.
Not eating it! It's stuff! It's trick!
Give me
Somebody wants to buy new bread.
People
That
put,
rotten meat that's almost expired on it.
Is it oil or a powder?
Powder. I think they put it on pizza.
Some of it's not hot.
Oh, they put it in pizza. Apparently. Here, ready?
That can't be good. That's Jamaican curry.
Yeah, that stuff's spicy.
Really? You're cleaning out.
Just rub it. Just rub it.
Use a napkin.
Clean yourself up.
Thanks. You need to be more accurate with that shit.
Let's see what we got here. Did we do that already?
Yeah.
Alright.
One of these courtesy mints.
This one, people put it on, like, barbecues. Like that.
Not bad. It's
Not
pretty
bad,
good.
right?
Open up.
You gotta open up more, jeez. It's not bad, is it? I don't know what that does look like. Sorry, Mitch. This is one of the ingredients for bread.
I'm not liking the sound of that.
Ready? Open. You gotta open wide.
It's not yeast, though.
It's not yeast. It's no yeast.
It's sick.
Wow,
Oh, look! Did you see it come out of his mouth?
Clean it out. It's wet. Open your mouth.
You got it all over your shirt again.
What is it? It was flour, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. You got that right.
Should we cap it off with the last one for the night?
Yeah, I want to call this splits here soon.
No, we'll do that one last. That one last.
That stuff's pretty expensive. Is that what I think it is? What's it?
No, it's maple.
Maple?
Whoa. Okay, well.
I heard that.
No.
No, this isn't bad.
This is gonna be good.
Not bad.
What is it?
Alright, ready?
Too much. Mike, that's too much.
No, is it really?
Yeah, Mike, I can smell it from here. That's way too much. That'll make somebody sick.
No. Can't.
Mike, are you retarded?
Corey chugged half of that before. Here.
I'm not Corey.
Ready?
Open it.
This is half.
I don't know if I recommend this.
Why the hell do you take your eyes off? Here, applesauce.
Oh shit! That wasn't bad. I do not recommend this. That was
It was vanilla extract. No, it was
maple.
It was maple flavor.
I'm done.
No,
you got a couple more.
I don't want this.
That's not. No, that won't come in there.
And you're going to the applesauce.
You tore your mask off.
Yeah, how does that make the taste any more or less work? The mask is irrelevant.
You gotta. There you go. Take that flour out. Big teeth.
So that extract was strong, wasn't it?
I'm calling it quits now.
You need to wash it out.
We're not done.
I quit.
And you look at it. I'm feeding him. You can't give us like one more.
No.
One more. Mitch, just a
I'm not trusting
That won't be thrown out there.
No. We said nothing spicy. We haven't given you anything spicy yet.
There you have it.
What did we give you that was spicy?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Vinegar isn't.
It was gross as
It
hell.
wasn't spicy.
That was acid.
Alright,
No, you gotta put your mask on.
Yeah, we gotta do one more, Mitch. Just cap it off. Can we do one more? Look, you still got 2 more applesauces left. And we need something to that'll be the wash down one. Alright, man. Last one. Alright. It's gonna be between this.
No.
Okay, no. Well, how about one of these?
I can't take anymore. My mouth is all like weird now.
No.
I want to see him try some stuff.
If you let us do one more, we will.
I want to see Jeeves try something I can do.
That mic.
Yeah.
You put like a dab of that in. Normally.